Once upon a time, in a quaint village, there lived a humble and generous farmer named Ben. Ben was known throughout the village for his kind heart and willingness to help those in need. One hot summer day, a terrible drought struck the village. The once lush fields turned brown and the crops withered away. The villagers were worried about their families and livelihoods. In the midst of this crisis, Ben noticed a young boy named Timmy who seemed sad and hungry. Timmy's family was struggling to make ends meet due to the drought, and they could barely afford to buy food. Ben approached Timmy and said, "I have some seeds saved up for the next planting season, but I'm willing to share them with your family so you can have something to eat during these tough times." Touched by Ben's kindness, Timmy's family graciously accepted the seeds and planted them. Soon enough, the seeds sprouted into healthy crops, and their fields began to flourish despite the drought. The family was able to share the surplus with other needy families in the village. Witnessing the generosity of Timmy's family, other villagers were inspired to help one another. They formed a community support group, pooling their resources and skills to assist those in need during the drought. Together they dug wells, shared food, and supported each other through the difficult times. Miraculously, the community's efforts and their caring for one another caught the attention of the heavens. Rain finally poured down, breaking the long drought and rejuvenating the once parched land. The village flourished once again with abundance, and the villagers were grateful for the blessings they received. The moral of this story is that kindness and generosity, especially in difficult times, can bring people together and create a ripple effect of goodwill. When we extend a helping hand and share what we have, we not only help others, but also sow the seeds of compassion, unity, and prosperity in our community.